Welcome to our video on 10 essential solo travel hacks and tips. Whether you're a seasoned solo traveler or planning your first solo adventure, these tips will help you have a smooth and enjoyable trip. So let's get started. One of the most important tips for solo traveling is to pack light. Only bring the essentials and avoid overpacking. This will make it easier for you to navigate through airports, train stations, and crowded streets. Remember, less is more. Before embarking on your solo trip, it's crucial to research your destination. Learn about the culture, customs, and local laws. This will help you blend in with the locals and avoid any cultural misunderstandings. Additionally, research the best places to visit and create an itinerary to make the most of your time. While solo traveling, it's essential to stay connected with your loved ones for safety reasons. Make sure to have a reliable phone plan or local SIM card to stay in touch. Share your itinerary with someone you trust and keep them updated about your whereabouts. It will give you peace of mind and ensure assistance if needed. Solo travelers need to stay alert and aware of their surroundings at all times. Pay attention to your intuition and trust your instincts. Avoid risky areas, be cautious with your belongings, and stay vigilant to ensure your safety. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way when traveling solo. Simple greetings, thank you, and sorry can help you communicate with locals and show respect for their culture. It will make your interactions more pleasant and memorable. Before you leave for your solo trip, make copies of your important documents such as passport, visas, and travel insurance. Keep these copies in a separate location from the original documents. In case of loss or theft, these copies will be helpful for reporting and replacing the documents. When solo traveling, it's important to trust your instincts. If something feels off or uncomfortable, remove yourself from the situation. Whether it's a person, place, or activity, prioritize your gut feeling and make decisions accordingly. One of the joys of solo travel is the opportunity for self-reflection and solitude. Embrace your solo time and use it to connect with yourself, try new things, and enjoy your own company. It's a chance for personal growth and discovery. Finally, embrace the unexpected when traveling solo. Things may not always go according to plan, but that's part of the adventure. Embrace the detours, the new experiences, and the challenges. They will make your solo trip even more memorable. That concludes our video on 10 essential solo travel hacks and tips. We hope you found these tips helpful for your solo adventures. Remember to pack light, research your destination, stay connected, and trust your instincts. Have a fantastic solo journey.